What's up, blockheads? With the exhaust that we install, I always do an exhaust run video so you guys can hear what it sounds like and all that stuff. So this exhaust is on a 2010 Sportster 48. The exhaust is made by a company called Kinetic Motorcycles based out of Houston, Texas. They are handcrafted, basically made to order exhausts. Last I checked, they had about a 3-week wait time between ordering and shipping. So they're a pretty popular place. Real quality stuff. Y'all be sure to go check them out. But yeah, so in this video I'm going to be giving you guys kind of some sound test examples of how the exhaust sounds standing, at idle, at startup, and then under load as well. So here we go. This is what the exhaust sounds like whenever the engine isn't running. Pretty crazy, huh? So I'm gonna do startup, and then I'll kind of get on it on the way back so you guys can hear it under load as well. Start it up, do a walk around so y'all can hear it. Visor open. All right, here we go. Do the walk around so you guys can hear it from multiple angles. What idle sounds like on the bike. Cruising in second gear. Also, real quick, before we get out there, for those of you that are worried about your leg, that's a leg clearance. It's not touching the bike. Obviously, it can touch your leg if you put your leg against it, but I mean, my feet are pretty squared up on the pegs, even here, and my leg is about an inch away from it. So, does it get hot? Yeah. And then at lights, leg down, it's kind of blowing on the back of my calf, but it's really not that big of a deal. Alright, acceleration. I guess I should leave that open, huh? This is visor closed. This is what it sounds like at 60 miles an hour. If I drop a gear, going from 5th to 4th gear, I love it, man. It sounds mean. Run, squirrel, run! Gas fill up time. 93 dead dinosaurs. Something that I really love about this exhaust is the decel. So like when, I'll show you, like whenever I'm downshifting up here, go ahead and open my visor. Man, that garbliness, freaking love it. Whenever you're sitting at idle just revving it, if you're one of those guys, you know, if you're an exhaust person. Fluttered. So that's probably enough of you guys hearing it under load, right? Under heavy load. I'm just gonna take it easy from here. Anyways, yeah, overall thoughts, impressions of the exhaust thus far, awesome, love it. And now my thoughts and impressions don't really matter because, like I said, this is Miss Blockhead's bike, but she absolutely loves it. But she said one of the best things she likes, actually her favorite thing about the bike, besides the actual bike itself, so that's cool. Anyways, a video is never going to do any exhaust like justice. You have to hear it in person, you know, in order to really get a feel for it. Especially like the microphone is in my helmet and the visor is closed, you know, that's why I've been doing visor closed and visor open, just so you guys can kind of hear a little bit of both. It has taken a little bit of tuning. You know, we've got the V&H FP3 on there tuning it up, and we've been going through auto tune for a bit. Currently has, currently is still in auto tune mode, but it seems to be doing pretty well thus far. It's whenever we first got it, there was a lot of popping and, you know, like really loud decel pops. It's almost nearly totally done away with that, so that's good. It means it's not running too lean or too rich. But yeah, the overall quality of the exhaust, man, is just top notch. Like I said, handmade in Texas by Kinetic Motorcycles. And it's definitely quality. You know, you don't find a lot of places like that anymore, you know, that hand make exhaust unless you like commission somebody or go to a shop. But at the moment, I know they only do stuff really for Sportsters. I wanted them to do something for my 2017 Dyna Lowrider S. But they said that they don't have one of those, so they don't make anything for it. I'm almost tempted to ride that Lowrider S to Texas and go pay him a visit and be like, hey guys, can y'all make me an exhaust? That'd be pretty cool. Detour real quick. You guys got to hear this thing in a parking garage. A little bit of flame. All right, that's what it sounds like in a parking garage. Oh my God, it sounds so good in this parking garage. to the normal part. Oh yeah, and another quick side note for those of you guys that are like, meh, loud Harley, you suck. Dude, guess what? We don't care what you think. I mean, that's the easiest way to explain it. Sorry, bruh. Also, loud pipes save lives. And that's not lying, man. I've totally used my exhaust a couple times to get people's attention and to not hit me. So, yeah. All right, back to the video. Anyways, that's overall thoughts. Like I said, nothing is going to do this exhaust justice except for listening and hearing it in person. So I know this is going to be one of those harder exhausts to find somebody that has it, because like I said, it's not a run-of-the-mill exhaust. It's not like made on a freaking production line. Whenever you order it, they make it. Hopefully this video can do you guys well in some aspects, to give you an idea of what it sounds like in various scenarios, RPMs, under load, really getting on it, etc. If you're in the Central Florida area and you guys want to hear it, we do bike night at Ace Cafe Thursday nights, so long as the weather isn't too terrible. Oh snap, black Porsche, good thing it wasn't yellow. It's funny, man, since we've been running auto tune on it for a bit, it doesn't have the D-cell garble as much as it used to. I need to go into my FP3 app and turn that D-cell up a little bit. This Blockhead says it sounds like a thunderstorm. It's like your own personal thunderstorm right here. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you guys are interested in it, I'll provide the link in the description below. If you guys do end up getting one, or scooping up anything from Kinetic, tell them Blockhead and Miss Blockhead sent you over, and that helps us out a lot. We would greatly appreciate it, because definitely want to continue to work with them, man. They're a cool company. But if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new here, you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. Hope you guys found the video useful. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant, and we'll catch y'all later. Deuces.